Hey guys, I am Zama. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about the top 5 beginner-friendly programming languages that you can start with. So, if you are a beginner and looking for an easy language to learn, then this video is for you. The first language on our list is Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages among beginners. It is a high-level language that is easy to learn and read. Python is used in various industries like web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. It has a large community of developers, which makes it easy for beginners to find help and resources. The second language on our list is Java. Java is another popular language that is easy to learn. It is a general-purpose language that is used for building desktop applications, web applications, and mobile apps. Java has a strong community of developers, which means you can easily find help and resources. The third language on our list is JavaScript. JavaScript is the language of the web. It is used for front-end and back-end web development. JavaScript is easy to learn and is a great language for beginners who want to get started with web development. The fourth language on our list is Ruby. Ruby is a beginner-friendly language that is used for web development and building web applications. Ruby has a clean syntax and is easy to read. It has a great community of developers who are always willing to help beginners. The fifth and final language on our list is Swift. Swift is a language that is used for developing iOS and macOS applications. It is an easy language to learn and is perfect for beginners who want to develop mobile applications. And that's it for today's video. These were the top 5 beginner-friendly programming languages that you can start with. Which language are you planning to learn? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.